Ever notice how good videos seem to hit the beat just right? Syncing your cuts to the music makes everything feel more professional and satisfying. Let's break down how to do that easily, even if you're not a musician. But first, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more editing tips like this. Step 1. Import your music. Drag your song and video into your editor timeline, Filmora, Premiere Pro, CapCut. Any editor works. Step 2. Mark the beats. Play the music and tap M marker on every major beat drop. Some editors like CapCut auto-detect beats, but manually tapping gives you better control. You'll now see markers aligned to the music rhythm. Step 3. Cut your video to match. Now trim your video clips or transitions so they land on those beat markers. You can do quick cuts, zooms, or scene changes that match each beat. It instantly levels up the energy. If this tip helped sync your vibe, like the video and subscribe. More editing hacks coming your way. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.